Hi all, welcome to animated video note series created and owned by Manasvi Mehta, founder of businesslikeNotes.com. For exam related notes and chapter highlights, you can visit our website businesslikeNotes.com. So let's begin. Let us now understand the comparison between business, profession, and employment. Mr. Rohan, who has just passed his 12th class exams, is now confused. What career path should he choose? Should he join his father's business of selling clothes? That is, choose business. Or should he study and clear his CA exams and then open his own CA firm? That is, choose profession. Or should he do MBA and then get a job in a company? That is, choose employment. Let us help Mr. Rohan to understand the differences between business, profession and employment. Let's start with examples. The common examples of business are shop, factory, or in Mr. Rohan's case is joining his father's business of selling clothes. The example of profession are legal, medical profession, chartered accountancy, that is, being a doctor, chartered accountant, or a lawyer. Example of employment are getting jobs in bank, insurance company, government department. Let us understand the difference between these three from mode of establishment view, that is, how to set up. For business, entrepreneur decision and other legal formalities, if necessary, are required. Whereas, to be a professional, you need to be a member of a professional body and hold certificate of practice. To get a job or be in employment, you are required to have appointment letter and service agreement. Now, what is the nature of work? In business, nature of work is production, purchase, sale of goods and services to public or customers. In profession, you are required to render personalized expert services like filing income tax return. In employment, you are required to perform work as per service contract or rules of service. Now, what are the qualifications needed? To open a business or to start a business, no minimum qualification is necessary. That is, you don't have to study. No, nothing like that. But to be in a profession, qualifications, expertise and training in a specific field as prescribed by the professional body is must. That is, doing articleship in CA exams or to become a chartered accountant. For employment, qualification and training prescribed by the employer is necessary. Now, what is the return or reward? For business, it is the profit earned by the businessman. For profession, professionals charge professional fee or client fee from his clients. In employment, employee gets salary or wages. Now, how much capital is required to start business? Capital investment is required as per size and nature of business. Say you are opening a small grocery shop, you will require small capital investment. Whereas if you are opening supermarket, you will require large capital investment. In profession, limited capital is needed for establishment. Whereas in employment, no capital is required for establishment. Now, how much risk is involved? Well, in business, there can be loss, there can be profits. So, profits are uncertain and irregular. Risk is therein business. However, in profession, fee is generally regular and certain, so there is some risk involved. Whereas in employment, salary is fixed and it's regular pay, so no or very little risk is involved in employment. Now, transfer of interest. That is, can you transfer your work to your son or daughter? Well, in business, yes, transfer is possible with some formalities. That is, father's business can be carried by the son. In profession, no, it's not possible. For employment also, it is not possible to transfer the interest. Now, what is the code of conduct? To start a business or continue the business, no code of conduct is prescribed as such. However, in profession, professional code of conduct is to be followed. That is, the guidelines given by, say, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India have to be followed by chartered accountants. In employment, norms of behavior laid down by the employer are to be followed. Thank you everyone for watching our video. If you're interested in online classes, email us on businesslikenotes@gmail.com. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.